What's up guys, my name is Tayden Dyches and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Soccer season is officially here and today is my second game of the season. But before we do that, I want to show you guys what's in my soccer bag. First up is our varsity jerseys. These are our home jerseys. We are rocking red Adidas jerseys. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get number 3 because they didn't have my size, so this year I'm rocking number 33. Next up, we have our away jerseys. They're white Adidas jerseys, and these are the jerseys we're going to be wearing in the game today. Next up, I have my Adidas soccer socks. We have our red home ones and our white away ones. The last part of our uniforms we have is our plain black Adidas soccer shorts. For training, I have this awesome FIFA World Cup soccer ball. This year, I'm rocking these awesome Nike Mercurial shin guards. I've been using these ones for a couple years now and I really like them. Last but not least, I have my Nike soccer cleats. These are the soccer cleats I'm rocking this year. These are the Nike Mercurial Superfly 9 Elites. I really like them. I love the colors first off. The bright gold really caught my attention and I bought them because I love the flashy look. But now it's time to get suited up, head to the game, and play some ball. Let's go!
I got all the voters. Climbing to the top and this music was my ticket. Found a way to grind, turn a passion to a business. No limit, I'ma get it, having millions as a witness. I'm addicted to winning, living up every single day. I'll be fighting and building up in a million different ways. I don't think I can stop, I think I need the chase. I love to race and I'm running till I'm first place. Long nights, long flights, I'ma make it big. Big dreams, big sights since I was a kid. Doing things that I like, let the pieces fit. I like the pain, feel alive when I'm under it. I could change, adapt, do what I need to. All these obstacles, they look and see through. Don't let the anger out, just let it feed you. I'll see you at the top, just let me teach you. Yeah, I'ma be a high roller. Move forward in the battle like soldier. In the game like closer. I'll be at the top of the chain, straight owner. Yeah, I got a different motor. I don't need any help, I'm a loner. You'll be seeing my name on posters. You could call me POTUS, I got all the voters. They be like, really? You got a milli from doing something silly? I'm like, chilly, I've been killing for decades now, Billy. Well, maybe like several years, but who's counting really? I just know how to turn something silly into a milli. Got a lot to say, and a lot need to hear it. You don't quit today, we don't stop, no, we feel it. To the top, yeah, we change our whole world, yeah, we steer it. Getting lost in the things that make us all worth hearing. I'm the first one to turn up, learn stuff, but mostly I'm just in the lab getting work done. Cause the bills on the first, they still worth some. I never forget being broke, man, it hurts, son. But not as bad as not having any purpose. I took stabs, this and that, and it's working. But I still grind every day for that thirst. It's a curse being first, yeah, still gotta get my work done. You realize deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace. This is your goal that makes it all worth it. This is your why that gives you your purpose. Let's go. Thoughts can keep you down, pushing deep until you drown, or they can keep you up strong, focused on the now. Glass half full, or has it been emptied out? Well, that's all up to you and your mind. Do you doubt anything, everything, not a thing? Make my thoughts work for me, manifest what I need, what I want, what I see. I could be anything, I attract all the things that I see. I believe I'll achieve as I breathe in and out again and again. I don't doubt, I sit and I plan and I found out that I can execute. If I'm driven, if I listen, if I learn all the wisdom, read some books, something written, watch the best, teach a system I invest, never hidden, I ain't scared, ain't no chicken, I take dares, I'll be winning, you get back what you're giving, find the reason that you're living, what you're good at, all your gifts and what you love, take a risk and find out what you've been missing, yeah. The will lies deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace, this is your goal that makes it all worth it, this is your why that gives you your purpose. The will lies deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace, this is your goal that makes it all worth it, this is your why that gives you your purpose. And like a fire needs coal in the furnace, this is your goal that makes it all worth it, this is your why that gives you your purpose. Your will lies deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace, this is your goal that makes it all worth it, this is your why that gives you your purpose. So I got a dream that I'm gonna be at the top of the scene, on every screen, making my presence something to be seen, yeah. I'll make them all see that I could be anything I wanna be. If you got a dream, then you need persistence and lots of belief, yeah. Yo, don't take that negative energy, I replace that. I just wanna be me, I don't fake that. I just wanna be free, yeah, chase that. I got a new obsession, it's helping and teaching and giving everyone a lesson. It's living and winning and building something that's impressive. I don't wanna do the same thing, I wanna be progressive, so I'ma make a new me, a new beast, a true fiend. He's everything that he wants to be. Look in the mirror, what he wants to see is a dude looking back at me. I stay on track, yeah, track things. I'm setting goals, life hacking. I'm steady stacking. I see myself being happy. A better me with a strategy that I'm attacking. Put me to the test and you know I'll ace that. Hit me in the face and I'm hitting right back. I enjoy the chase so I'll stay on track, yeah. I enjoy the race so I'll make that back. Got a lot of dreams that I'll make come true. Got a lot of things that I wanna do. Got a lot of goals that I wanna prove. And there's not a lot of time so I gotta make moves.